Right on. Okay, second call here for our Senior Men's Fancy. Second call, Senior Men's Fancy. Your song's going to be going over here to Tatanka Kua. Tatanka Kua will be getting ready with a Senior Men's Fancy song. Third and final call for our Senior Adult Men's Fancy. Right on. Good to see you there, Lincoln, brother. Good to see you. Ooh, huh. Ooh, huh. Mm-hmm. Here we go. I do believe our last and final call. How we doing, arena directors? How you feeling? We got a few judges that are just finishing it up. We're good to go. I do believe we have our judges ready. All right, ladies, you know what to do. Shake hands, smile. Even as you're going out, you make sure you smile at the crowd. They all watch you dance hard. All right, there, Senior Adult Men's Fancy. Your song's coming to you from Tatanka Kua. Take it away.
Shelby Shakti, the announcer stand.
Make some noise here for our Senior Adult Men's Fancy. Thank you very much there to Tatanka Kua. Man, you sing a cool song, I can tell you that much. Right on there, gentlemen. Sounded good. Oh, man, we're getting here, over here. One more. Oh, I think we're going to have to come back tomorrow. Up again, right on. All right, here, we're going to call out our Senior Men's Dress to the arena. How you feeling there, Uncle Hal? What's going on?
We got
What's
a
good?
lost woman's purse here. Shelby Ashape. Come on up. Also a TD card. It's got a no-name TD card up here. And we also got a box of lost and found regalia items. So if you lost your culture, we found it. Hey. 1 o'clock grand entry, dancers. 1 o'clock grand entry tomorrow.
I feel like we should say it one more time. 1 o'clock grand entry tomorrow, 12:45, roll call. I feel like we announced it a few times earlier today. We'll give it one more shot. We're good to go. Senior Adult Men's Grass Dancers, this is your shot here to show us what you got. Let's go over here to the gentleman by the name of Six Shooter. Take it away.
Hey!
some noise. Make some noise right here for our senior adult men's grass dancers. Right on, gentlemen. Good song, good dancing. I can tell you right here, 6 shooters, that was a really wicked song. I know for a fact I was tapping my foot over here. Good one, good one. All right, we're going to go over here to our next category, senior men's traditional. Your song will be coming to you from Whitefish Juniors. First call for our senior adult men's traditional. First call. Right on, gentlemen. Come on out. Make yourself present. Thank you for our... let's give a round of applause to our headman dancer, Mr. Rusty Gillette, for honoring his grass dance brothers and all of our community and all of our travelers. Right on, Rusty, right on. I can tell you, I just can't stop looking at that roach, bro. It's just amazing. Zing, zing. All right, second call here. Senior adult men's traditional. Come on out here. This is your second call. Your song will be coming to you from Whitefish Juniors. You guys over there, get ready, brothers. Whenever we get a high sign from our arena director, we're going to get over there into good sounds of Whitefish. Here we go. All righty, gentlemen, thank you for shaking hands. Last and third final call, senior adult men's traditional. He's given a head count. He's just getting things in order. He says, we're ready to boot, scoot, and boogie. Are we good to go? Whitefish Juniors. Senior adult men's traditional. on there, senior adult men's traditional. Good song there, Whitefish Juniors. Absolutely smooth. Those leads are wicked. Right on.
Rockin' storytellers out there, man. Oh, man. You know, if you really watch, you can translate their stories. I was interpreting some of the movements of our warriors, and a lot of them are depicting and honoring the buffalo. And it's not the buffalo of the buffalo days. It's the buffalo in the casino, you know, the VLT. Buffalo!
Now everyone's itching their palms right now. They're saying, I gotta go throw in a 20. Oh, yeah. All right, we're gonna be calling in here our senior adult men's chicken. Be making your way out here, senior adult men's chicken. This is your first call here, original style. Be getting that song ready. We're gonna be going right through our agenda here to our junior adult women's fancy coming to you from 2 nations after our senior adult men's chicken. So junior adult women's categories be on standby, fancy, jingle, and traditional in that order. All right, second call here, senior adult men's chicken, senior chicken. Come on out here. These are all the original KFCers. All these guys order number 10s, large size with a large drink, Diet Coke. You know how that goes. See, all these guys in line just got hungry. Yeah. You can't say chicken around a bunch of Indians, man. We'll start gathering. That's all I know about. All right, here, third call, senior adult men's chicken. Senior adult men's chicken. Here we go. All right, here, original style. You got the song for our chicken categories. Junior adult women's fancy shawl beginning ready. You're on standby. Your song become for 2 nations. You got that song for senior adult women's fancy. There you go, Mike. Put your hands together there for our senior adult men's chicken. Line on up, gentlemen, line on up. Here we go. We're going to get you all scored